Today's demonstration is our keg handler, and the first thing I need you to notice and pay attention to is that this is our keg. So the idea here is we're going to have a boom on the lifter. We would straddle the keg, all right, set the brake. You've decided that you want to use straps, so this will be the keg straps here on the lifter. Secure the other side. And we're ready to lift. At this point, we want to lift the keg, and we would wheel it over to the dispensaries. The dispensary, I took the liberty here of marking off the narrowest wall on the one, I think it's 32 inches. But the stand itself represents the dispensary. But here we can actually drive the lifter in sideways if we need to. You gotta raise it tall enough. And once there, move it into position. At that point, you would lower it down onto the stand, disconnect the straps, and then pull the lifter back and out of the aisle. Notice some of the features on here is we have a remote controller for our up-down operation. In your case, we'll have a boom that will be designed to fit with the straps and the thing. We'll have a single hook on here so that you can attach the straps to and then reattach the other end after you loop it through. The lifter itself has a ball screw, driven by an electric motor, DC motor. We have a power pack here that houses the motor controls and the batteries. This is a 24-volt DC system. You'll notice that the lifter itself can move very easily in any direction. That's because we use force casters steering. This bar back here is our brake bar. By doing so, we've set the brake on the lifter. If I move it there, I'm back to my steering, and if I pull it back, it locks the rear casters for pushing it in a straight line. So those are very simple features. The motor controls that we have on here control the maximum current to the motor, meaning if you pick a heavier load than what it is rated for, it will not lift it. The other thing that we have, it's kind of hard to demonstrate empty, but we have a slip clutch, so you cannot drive the mass down or up through the top, pushing the lifter over or anything like that. It would just slip out. Everything is adjustable in terms of your handlebars. You can move them up and down by simply doing that. The battery charger itself, one end goes into an AC outlet, the other end goes into the power pack. When you're idle, you should do that. All right, the other end would go into an AC outlet, just like you do your phone. That I would recommend anytime the lifter is idle that you do that. Outside of that, you're looking at a lifter that weighs less than 150 pounds. And the capacity, I think in your case, is 150 pounds. And comes in both a stainless steel finish, which this is, or it comes in a painted, where the stainless parts will become powder coated blue. And that wraps up this. You can contact us at 704-847-2464, and we'll be happy to answer any questions.